Hello all, welcome to my channel. This video is completely on Coursera platform for beginners. Students have educational institutional access from their college for free Coursera courses, but most of the students they don't have college access for free Coursera courses. For that students, I am gonna tell how they can individually get enrolled for courses on Coursera through financial aid without making any mistakes. So please watch this video completely because at the end of the video I'm going to tell is this courses are accredited or not, how you can build your portfolio through Coursera. So without making any delay, let's get started. So first I have chosen a course on Introduction to Data Science in Python. Most importantly, when you are signing up in Coursera, make sure you are writing your name, full name properly with clear initials, okay? And then because if you make any mistakes you can't rectify, okay? So be careful on signing up, okay? So this course is provided by University of Michigan, and you have to know about what is course and who are your instructors and what are the skills you are going to gain. So the skills you are going to learn is Python programming, NumPy, Pandas, data cleansing, all is related to data. So, okay, then your instructor is Christopher Brooks, okay. Then your syllabus on week 1 you're gonna learn on prerequisite, expectations and all about like Jupyter notebooks and all. Then on week 2 you will learn how to query the structures, then using data frame structures and all. Then week 3 there will be like Pandas library, working with Pandas library. On week 4 you will be learning statistical techniques such as distribution, sampling, t-test, hypothesis test, like that and all. After completion of the course you will get a certificate like this and you can upload it into a LinkedIn. So I'm going to show how your certificate look like. So I have completed a course on Coursera on programming for everybody, getting started with Python, okay. So here I have completed with 100% grade achieved, okay, without any making any mistakes, and I have earned this certificate and we can download the certificate like this. Then I have uploaded to my link. Under LinkedIn profile there is a section called license and certificates. Here a plus icon where you can upload it, okay. And here this I have uploaded here and it has no expiration date, and also if any employer comes to your LinkedIn profile they can view your certificate like see credential here and it will take to your certificate, okay. So like this. So now we will see how we can get financial aid, okay. So navigate to this financial aid available, okay, just click on it, then continue the application. Then there will be like 2 check boxes, check it, okay, then copy paste the same thing. So you are a student, choose high school or high college or some college, okay, and you are earning 0 and your status is student, then you earn 0 per month. So here you have to be most careful, okay, why you are applying for financial aid. Don't copy from others because Coursera uses plagiarism and it detects same thing which is copied from others. So state like you are come from here and you want to study and you don't have proper education in your country or anything, and that you will gain some skills. So I will show example here. Like this. So I am a student from India keen to learn about Python, especially in the medical domain. Since the quality of education is not up to the mark, let it can fill here. And at last, like I have wrote, Coursera has been a great platform among my peers. More importantly, you have to write 150 words minimum, okay. Then how will taking this course will achieve your career goal. So here you have to write like you are doing this project and this course will help you to your pursue this project, or you are in this domain and you are lack of the skills and so you are enrolling this. So I'm gonna paste example here. See, this course will help me a good title, not machine learning engineer, good title like data science engineer because I love to enhance in data science. Okay, so don't worry if you can't see this. Okay, I have made a blog on medium.com and provide you the link in the description. From there you can know what are the contents I have shown here, example things and all. Okay, everything about the video. Then at last they are asking, would we able to pay the low interest? No, we can't, we are students. Okay, so we will write like we have like low income from our family and we can't able to make it a mark. Like example here is like, because I'm studying college itself in education loan and my parents are not able to pay, like that. Okay, so here we can submit it, because but I am not submitting it already, I have submitted. So after submitting, how you will get me like this, you will get, we have received your financial aid. We have to wait till July 1 2020. Okay, like probably 10 to 15 days they will check our financial aid application and they will approve. And most of students will get confused here. Till that day what we will do? Okay, till our course application approves, like 10 to 15 days, what we will do? So I have an amazing idea here. Just go to kaggle.com, like kaggle.com/python learn/python, sorry. So here a course, and here from here, because I am saying this because if you're taking a course on Coursera like Python or data science, if you're taking for Python, just head to Kaggle and go for Python course. Just read about tutorials, then do exercises. So this is my progress. I have completed 57%, and at last till your Coursera course application approves, till that it will be useful to you to get familiar with the course like Python or the platform. And if you are completed, like here are the also some courses like intro to machine learning, deep learning, pandas and all. So, and finally you will get a certificate like this if you completed everything, like completed the Qs and all. So I am showing my demo certificate that I have completed programming for everybody from University of Michigan. Is a course. Here I have completed 100% efficiently. Okay, now I can download it from here like that and all. Okay, I have said you right, I have created a blog on medium.com. so here is a blog. So here I have answered everything about this YouTube videos and frequently asked question and all, because it's accredited or not and all. Okay, so first of all, Coursera courses are accredited. Okay, because it is accredited by University of Michigan, it is accredited by IBM. So corresponding to the universities who are all providing the courses, they are accredited by the courses. Okay, and how you can build your portfolio at the end of any courses on Coursera platform, there will be a chance to develop a project. Okay, you have to develop a project and you have to submit in Coursera so that you will get a certificate. But from here what you can do is develop your project, take it to your local PC or local system, then upload it to your GitHub profile. So it makes you are building your portfolio by step, you are building your portfolio, and it will make a huge on your resume. Finally, if you like this video, please like it. If any of your friend who needs to know about Coursera and financial aid, please share this to him because of awareness. Okay, and if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please comment it. I will try to improve it and I will try to answer it. And please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because on my next video I'm going to tell about machine learning, deep learning and artificial intelligence. In between three of these things, what are these things going to do in the MNCs or real world applications? Okay, till that, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.